Hey there, I'm Justin and I've been playing cello since 2005. I've been in the public school system since 2016 and I've taught privately since 2012. So I've been doing this for a long time. My teaching philosophy is simple. The cello was designed to be played with ease and fluidity. It shouldn't involve a lot of struggling and tension and aggravation. Oftentimes when students are dealing with those issues, it's simply because they could use the help of a private teacher like myself. If you take what I show you during our private lessons and you practice them the way that I outlined in the lesson, you are going to have much more success and you're going to learn your instrument way faster. In the end, if this is something that you would like to do, hiring a private instructor is absolutely a good investment in your own personal growth. I will always give my best when providing instruction, and I hope that you will consider me as your private teacher.